Hello, my name is Moksha Kumar. I am playing the character of Kamu. Kamu is the pug of Shakespeare's original. He is very close to the original pug and he is the jester of the play. He has a lot of fun at the expense of romantic pair. He does the same here as well, except that he refuses to plainly obey Gulab's order vis-a-vis the administering of the potion. While he has a lot of fun, he is truly on their side and finally decides to turn the potion against their very own creators, Babaji and Jackie Chan.
Hello, my name is Mehul and I'm playing the character of Vivek. Vivek is the Lysander of original, and like Lysander, he has a disapproval of Pooja's father. He's a modern day Lysander and his love for Pooja is not very deep in the beginning, but towards the end of the play, he realizes that Pooja truly loves him. Have been told there will be extensive practice sessions, and I'm sure these sessions will help us in honing our theatre skills.
I am playing a character who is a jester. Getting the body language and expression right was exciting and challenging. I hope that the workshops and guidance by the tutor will help me become more uninhibited and actually shameless the way the character has been visualized.
Hi guys, this is Tajinder Singh.
This is Shivam Jamloki.
I am Mananjot Singh. We are the musicians of this play. We are playing instruments like tabla, congo, guitar and harmonium.
Putting music into the dialogues and song were really hard work. But when we were making the script, we weren't really thinking about how we are going to do the music. But now we are actually doing it, we realize that it's quite challenging and interesting for us. But we are musicians, we don't really know that much about theatre. So right now we are giving music according to the leads given to us by the script writers.
Sometimes you have to change a word here or a syllable there just to set the note right. So it's a challenging task. I hope the music will add some flavor to the script, keeping our fingers crossed.
Hello, my name is Nishal Rishi and I'm playing the role of Babaji in the play. We all are right now a bunch of amateurs. Most of what we're doing is like hit and trial. I know there's always a method to madness, but right now it's just madness, so hope to hone the method.
Hello, my name is Mridul Makhija and I am playing the role of Gulab. There is a musical and we are trying to integrate music, dance and acting into the play. I expect that the sessions with our teachers will teach us that how this integration should be done. Of course we are doing it already, but we hope to learn and how to think about the same.
Yeah, and we keep improvising all the time because there are as many suggestions as there are team members. So we keep trying this, that and the other and finally do what looks the best. We are enjoying being everybody's errand boys and hope for the best. Production logistics are very interesting. One has to think about everything from finances, costumes, lighting, just about everything. Thank you. That is all. This is our complete team. Looking forward to Kolkata now.
Hi, I'm Muskan Chopra.
And I'm Shubham Agarwal.
We, along with Vibhu, form the production backstage team of the play. Our job includes everything from property acquisition to lighting and deciding upon costumes and procuring them. We have a few queries that we would like to see answers to. Is it possible to create a wonderful play with bare minimum sets? I'm almost an actor, though not so good, so I hope that this exposure will help me become more confident on stage.
Also, we help the actors with rehearsal and give them a suggestion. It is interesting to see how the script come alive on stage.
Hi, my name is Parmeet Singh.
Hi, I am Shubham Agarwal.
Hi, I'm Vibhu Sharma.
We are the production team, the backstage team of the play. Our job involves everything from property acquisition and movement, lighting and deciding upon the costumes and procuring them.
Also, we help the actors with rehearsal and give them a suggestion. It is interesting to see how this script come alive on stage.
Yeah, and we keep improvising all the time because there are as many suggestions as there are team members. So we keep trying this, that and the other and finally do what looks the best. We are enjoying being everybody's errand boys and hope for the best. Thank you. That is all. This is our complete team. Looking forward to Kolkata now.
Hi, I am Mehek.
Hi, and I'm Prakshi.
We are from Mira Model School, Janakpuri, and our play is titled Kamu's very own Babaji Ka Sapna, which is an adaptation of Shakespeare's play A Midsummer Night's Dream. I am playing the role originally played by Hamya in Shakespeare's play. Pooja is the 21st century version of Hermia, and her love for Vivek, Lysander in the original play, takes birth on Facebook. Pooja is an ordinary girl of her age, but through the course of the play, she grows into a more mature person, courtesy her friend Neha. Towards the end, we see her asserting herself and she comes out to be her own.
I'm playing the role essayed by Helena in Shakespeare's play. Neha's character has obvious homosexual undercurrents, while there is a subtle queer suggestion in the original. But we have made it more obvious in our play. In the context of India's current political and social fights for equal rights for queer people, it is the reason that her love angle cannot reach a conclusion by the end of the play. The lack of a resolution of Neha Pooja love angle mirrors the plight of the Indian homosexual community, which faces the mass discrimination at social level and disempowerment at the political level.
Also, some of Neha's romantic angle were necessitated by the time restriction. So, we didn't want to replicate the original play by having another heterosexual romantic angle with another boy. So, we resolved the time issue by giving her a romantic angle with Pooja. Thus, giving rise to the invention was really necessary.
And then we realized that we would be killing two birds with one stone, resolving the time issue and adapting it to modern settings and mirroring the social fights.
Hi, I am Ridal Makhija.
And I am Sparshgar, and I am playing the role of Jackson, originally played by Aegeus. In our play, Jackson is a selfish politician who doesn't think twice before playing with his daughter's love life for his political gains. His opposition to Vivek stems from his desire to further his political aspirations, unlike Aegeus, who genuinely thinks that Demetrius is a better mate for Hermia.
And my character Gulab is an original character. He is assistant to Pooja's father. In the play, he is known to Pooja's father. He is Kamu's boss and does as Jackson says.
Hello, this is Mridula Keswani, and I'm playing Philostrate, the master of the revel ceremonies in Shakespeare's Midsummer Night's Dream. Well, no, not really. I'm the teacher coordinator for Mira Model School. I've been a theatre enthusiast for the past few years, and so when the opportunity for this play came, I jumped at it, and I've been involved in it right from the beginning, right from the scripting stage. It's interesting to realize that Shakespeare is as relevant today as he was 400 years ago when the plays were written. We have obviously modernized the setting. We have brought Shakespeare into the 21st century while trying to capture the essence of the play, the confusion, the romantic pair. It's been an interesting journey, and hope that all of it comes together. We're now in the process of putting the music and the acting together. We're waiting for Kolkata. Meet you there.
As a principal of the school which is qualified, 10 schools which are qualified in the country, I'm very, very excited to say the least. It has been a very enriching experience for our children because they've never had any exposure to script writing and directing and being a part of this theatre. I think what's more exciting is what lies ahead, because I'm really looking forward to seeing the transformation in the children that's going to happen after the workshop, because where they are going to have an intensive training in drama, and that's what I'm looking forward to and waiting to see what the children have to say about it. And of course, needless to say, if it hadn't been for British Council, we would not have had this kind of exposure at all. And so a big thank you to them.